Tired of kitchen chaos? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is about to revolutionize your cooking and simplify your life. This incredible appliance isn't just a pressure cooker. It's 9 kitchen devices in one, replacing your slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, and more. Imagine decluttering your countertops while effortlessly preparing delicious, healthy meals every single day. With 15 customizable smart programs, cooking anything from yogurt to cakes is literally a touch of a button away, even for beginners. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, non-toxic cooking and unbelievably easy cleanup. This isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's the upgrade serious home cooks need to simplify meal prep and explore new recipes. If you're looking to buy the best Instant Pot for your home, the Duo Plus offers unmatched versatility and convenience. Ready to transform your kitchen in 2025? Check out the Instant Pot Duo Plus today via the Amazon link in our description. Seriously, for anyone seeking the best kitchen upgrade, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is our top recommendation. You won't regret it.